Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can free up storage over on your iPhone. So when you head over to settings on your iPhone, then click on general and then iPhone storage, you will be able to see how much storage you are currently using. So currently my iPhone is using 417 gigabytes out of the 512 gigabytes available. Now let's say that your entire phone is just completely full and you want to download another app or do something but you're just completely full. Then here are two easy ways in order to fix that. So the first one is actually right here. It's quite cool. It's called recommendations, and your iPhone will literally give you recommendations based on how you can actually free up storage without actually needing to delete any apps. So currently I only have one recommendation. However, if you have more recommendations, what you simply do is click on enable and it will automatically start basically applying those recommendations, and it will save you a lot of gigabytes. For example, when I enable this recommendation right here, it will literally save me 1.9 gigabytes, which is quite a lot. Now, if you've already enabled all of your recommendations, which I would recommend doing, is the second thing, you want to just scroll down your apps list, and what I will then recommend doing is just looking at the apps which are currently using the most amount of gigabytes. We can currently see that Telegram is currently using a lot of my gigabytes. And when I, for example, offload this app, it will literally only delete 127 megabytes because the normal Telegram app size is only 126 megabytes. However, for me, it's currently using over 33 gigabytes, which is absolutely crazy. And that is because Telegram will just keep on building up cache over on your device, and it will just keep on saving more contacts and groups. So basically, if you want to completely get rid of all of these documents and data, then the easiest thing I would recommend doing is just looking at any app that is using an unusual amount of, for example, gigabytes. For example, Telegram. What you simply do is delete the app. Make sure you have your password and basically your username to your accounts, so you can always log back in. And when you reinstall the app will literally only be 126 megabytes in my case. However, it can be different over on any other app, of course. However, basically just removing an app and then reinstalling it again literally saves you so many gigabytes, because it will basically clear the entire cache of the app. And as long as you have everything saved either on your iCloud or maybe on a hard drive, you are completely good to go, and will save you just so many gigabytes. Yeah, that's basically what I've been doing when I've basically too much gigabytes on my phone. I just start deleting all of these apps and then reinstalling, and all of the apps will then start using a lot less gigabytes because you are basically clearing the cache of the app. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do in order to free up some storage over your iPhone quick. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.